Today I will be making chocolate Valentine cupcakes. We will need 2 cupcake pans right here. And then we will have 1 cup of water, 1 cup of oil. I just had this because I just liked it. And here's the cookie mix, the stuff that we are going to be using to decorate, and little spatula. And I've got my cow timer here. And then 3 eggs. And then we have 2 bowls. Okay. And I have another little cooking kit. So let's get started. I just opened the box here, and you get here's the cake mix. Mix really smushy and bad. So I will cut this open, and we will cut this open, and then we will pour it in this big, ginormous bowl. And add the water.
Mm-hmm.
And then we put in our cup of water.
That's okay.
Make it all mushy. And the oil.
And
then we will put in our oil.
crack it harder. There you go. All right. Check for shells. Are there any shells in there? No, you're good.
Now we will pour the eggs in.
And mix it.
Then we will mix it all up.
Okay, turn it off. That'll be part 1. Turn it off.
And now I'm still mixing the batter, and when you're done, it should kind of look something like this. I'm just keep mixing it. If it has little stuff like that in there. And then once it's all gone, it's all really mushy.
I'm going to put the liners.
We are going to open this. Yes. And then I'm taking all this.
Choo-choo. What are you doing?
So now I am just using this ice cream scoop to kind of just pour the batter. I got the pea man. Here I go.
We're gonna need to find a more sanitary way to do this, Megan. Would you rather use a different spoon?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's not as big.
Turn off.
Go Megan.
Go, Megan.
They got cakes. Cakes.
You having fun, Megan? How full are you filling them?
Wait.
To what? Perfect. You're doing a great job. Yeah, Jack thinks you're doing a great job too. Ooh, that was a good one. Ready?
No, you just licked it a little bit.
That's okay. You're passing that one.
There you go.
Next.
If you get those ones. Do my finger
Can you
deep
turn
on
Megan on? Big girl Megan.
So there. Is that a good?
That's perfect.
Got it.
Go, Matt. That's good.
Wait. Wait. I'm getting more chocolate on my hands.
That's all right.
I made more.
All right. Now what do we do?
Lick them.
No, what do we do?
Yeah. Yeah. Cookie.
You gotta bake them. Tell them that we bake them now.
Look. Cookie. We gotta bake them. Cookie.
Tell the camera you gotta bake them.
We gotta bake them. Yeah. As you can see, the cupcakes are finished. They have their liners in there, and they are in the batter. Big cupcakes. So we will preheat the oven to 350 and cook them for 19 minutes. And I also have a loose tooth. So yay! I'm wiggling it. right now.
Yay!
See you guys later on my next channel.
Tell the people what you're doing.
Now, as you can see, the cupcakes are right here, and they are ready to be frosted. And I've got my little frosting thing right here, and I will frost the cupcakes. So. Now let's put some sprinkles on it. And let's put a heart bow thing on it. Ta-da! That's one of the cupcakes. And then here's the other one. It's empty.
Oh, okay. We'll refill. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.